Hi students, today we are going to study how to find HCF by division method. There are three steps to find the HCF by division method. The first step is divide the greater number. Divide the greater number by the smaller and get the quotient. Get the quotient and remainder. What is that? Divide the greater number by the smaller number and find the quotient and by the smaller number and find the quotient and remainder. Then the second step. The second step is divide the divisor by the remainder. Divide the divisor by the remainder. This is our second step. Third step. Repeat this process. Repeat this process till you get 0. Till you get the 0 or till you get the remainder 0. Okay. Repeat this process till you get the remainder 0. There won't be anything, only get the remainder 0. Okay. Once again, minimum 2 numbers will be there. Okay. Divide the greater number by the smaller and find the quotient and remainder. Then second step is divide the divisor, the previous divisor. Okay, divide the divisor, that previous divisor we have to divide by the remainder. And then third step is repeat this process till you get the remainder 0. Okay, these are the three steps that you have to keep it in mind when you do or when you find HCF by division method. Let's do one example here. There are two numbers given. One is 360 and the next one is 456. Find the HCF of these two numbers by long division method. So what are the three steps that we learned is, first one is divide the greater number by the smaller one. So 456 divided by 360. That is our first step. Let's divide. This is almost 400. 360. We learned in lower classes rounding off. So this is almost 400. This is almost 500. Okay. So it won't go 2 times. It's only 1 time. So 360. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. 5 is smaller than 6. So borrow from 4 make it 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Here remaining 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now what is our second step is to divide the divisor. Here divisor is 360. Divide the divisor by the remainder. Remainder is 96. Here this is quite bigger number or quite big number. Okay, 96 is big number. If you don't know the table, so what you have to do is in short or a shortcut is take one digit. Okay, this only one digit which is in tens place. There are two digits. This is ones and this is tens. In tens place which digit is there? That is 9. Take only that for some time in your mind. Then you see the table. Okay, here when you take, here one digit when you take, here we are supposed to take one digit, but here this is smaller than 9, so take these two digits. Okay, then you see the table for this. Okay, 4 9s are 36, but it is almost 100. This is 96, rounding off. Okay, I am talking about rounding off. When you do rounding off, this 96 becomes 100. So what you have to do is, here 4 9s are 36, but 1 less will take. That means 3 will take. Now you multiply 96 by this 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 balance. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. This is the one who do not know the table. Okay. If you know the table for this 96, then it is okay. If you do not know, then you have to do this way. Okay. Then now here it is 0. It is 8 is here. Cannot subtract 8 from 0. So borrow from here. Becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Now here 5. Again it is smaller than 8. So borrow from here. Make it 15. 16 minus 8 is equal to 7. So you got 72 here. Again divide the divisor, that is 96, by the remainder. Here 72 and 96, no much difference, only one time. So 72, then 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, 24. Again 72 divided by 24. Then 2 3s are 6. Okay, 3 times. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 72. Remainder is 0. So the last divisor is 24. That is our HCF. The HCF of 360 and 456 is the last divisor, that is 24. Okay. So 24 will be our HCF of 360 and 456. Let's do exercise 4.3. Question number 3. Find the HCF by the division method. Here reading question is very important. In the exam there are 3 methods we already learned how to find the HCF. So in the exam question comes, you have to read how to find the in which way to find the HCF? The question is asked, find the HCF by which method? So here division method, this is very important. First thing that you have to notice that. Then there are, in the question there are two numbers given. So we have to find the greater number. 650 is the greater number found. Then that will be our dividend. Smaller number will be the divisor. 525. Let's start. Then this is 525, this is 650. Only one time. 525. Then subtract. 0 is here. Borrow from here and make it 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Remaining 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So we got remainder 125. That will be our next divisor. And the dividend will be this previous divisor, that is 525. This is 125 and this is 525. What we have to do when you do not know the table for this bigger number, then take the first digit, that is in hundreds place 1 is there, in hundreds place here 5. So it is easy for you to find. But here you have to see this is above 100. So one number less we take. 1 5s are 5. But one number less we take because it is above, 100 above. So here 4 times we will take. 4 5s are 20. 2 balance. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. 1 balance. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Now subtract. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So we got the remainder 25. Now this 25 will be our divisor and the previous divisor, that is 125, will be our dividend. Here 25, here 125. Still, if you do not know the table of this 25, then you go for the first number you take, and here this digit is smaller, so you take this 2 digits, that is 12, 1 and 2, 12. And here 6 2s are 12. Okay, but this is again one more digit is there. So what you do, one number less you take, 5. Now multiply both the digits. 5 5s are 25. 2 balance. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 125. Remainder is 0. So the HCF of 650 and 525 is, the last divisor is 25. That is our HCF. So the HCF of 650 and 525 is 25. This is how we have to find the HCF by division method. Our next question, in this question also only 2 numbers are given. So it is easy for us to find the greater number and then start the division. 372 will be our dividend and 144 will be our divisor. Here again take 1 and here it is 3. Okay, so 1 3s are 3, but we will go for 1 less, that means 2. Now multiply all these 3 digits. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. From here you borrow 1 and make it 12. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Remaining here 6. So borrow from here, make it 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Here remaining 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So our remainder is 84. The previous divisor, that is 144, will be our dividend. Remainder 84 will be our divisor. 84, 144. If you take one digit, here you have to take 2. Okay, here it is 14, here it is 8. 8 twos are 16. So it will not go only one time. 1 fours are 4. 1 eights are 8. Subtract. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. We got 60 now remainder. That will be our divisor, and 84, the previous divisor, will be our dividend. Again, only one time. 60 minus 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 24. This will be our divisor, and the 60, the previous divisor, will be our dividend. 60. Take 2, and here it is 6. 2 3s are 6, but we will go for 1 less. Okay, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Borrow from here and make it 10. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now we got remainder 12. 24. The previous divisor is 24. That will be our dividend. And the remainder is our divisor. 12 twos are 24. Remainder is 0. So the last divisor, that is our HCF, that is 12. The HCF of 144 and 372 is 12. In our next question also, only 2 numbers are there. Okay. 1377 and 891. The greater number is 1377 divided by 891. Again, the previous question when we solved, I have told you that take like this big number when it comes. If you do not know the table, then you take only one digit. In that case, here also we have to take one digit, but then here it is smaller number, so take 2 digits. Okay. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So it will not go more than one time. So take only one. 891. Then subtract. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Here smaller number, so borrow from here, make it 17. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Then remaining here 2. 12. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 486 we got. This will be our divisor, and the previous divisor, that is 891, is our dividend. 4, 4 2s are 8. But here, see that it's almost 500. Here, this is 5, almost 500. So it should be double if you want to go for 2 times. It is almost 900. So we'll go only 1 time. 486. Here it is only 1. So borrow from here, make it 11. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Here remaining 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 405. That will be our next divisor. And 486. The previous divisor will be our dividend now. 405, 486. Only 1 time. 405. Now 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we got 81 as a divisor now, and 405 will be our dividend. 8 5s are 40. We'll go for 4 times. 4 1s are 4. No, we'll go for 5 because here it is 1 and here is 5 is there. So we'll go for 5. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are 40. Exactly. Okay. Remainder is 0. The HCF of 1377 and 891 is 81. There are 3 numbers given in this question, that is 180, 144 and 192. So when we take the first 2 numbers, 180 is the greater number. So 180 divided by 144. 1 time. 144. Subtract. 10 minus 10, how it came 10? Here it is only 0. From 0 we cannot subtract 4. So we have to borrow from here and make it 10. Okay, that is what 10 I said. So borrow from here and made it 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Remaining 7. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 144 divided by 36. Now take 1 digit here and 2 digit here. Here 3 and 14. 3 4s are 12. 4. 4 6s are 24. 2 balance. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 40. 0. So we got here HCF 36. The HCF of 180 and 144 is 36. Now the third number is 192. Here this is HCF, that is 36. So 192 divided by 36. 3 here 19. 3 6 are 18. 6 6 are 36. 3 balance. So will not go, one number less will take. Okay. 5. 5 6 are 30. 3 balance. 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. We got 12. Then 36. 12 3s are 36. The HCF of 180, 144 and 192 is 12. There are three numbers here: 213, 2485 and 8520. We have to find the HCF for these three numbers. Let's take first two numbers. The greater number is 2485 and 213 is the smaller number, and that is the divisor for this 2485. Here it is 213. Here if we take 3 digits, 248. So 1 time 230. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring down this 5. Here it is 355 and 213. So it will not go more than 1 time. Again 213. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 142 is our remainder, and that will be the divisor for the previous divisor 230. That is our dividend now. Here 142 and here 213. It's only 1 time, not more than that. So write direct 142 and subtract. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Here is only 1. So borrow from here and make it 11. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Remaining 1 here, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be our next divisor for 142. 7 2s are 40. So 2 times 2 1s are 2. When you do like that, then you should see the next digit also. Keep that in mind, okay? So this is only 1, that is why direct I went for 2. 7 2s are 14 as said, and then I saw here it's only 1 and here it is only 2. So it is easy, okay? So 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. 0. The HCF of 213 and 2485 is 71. Now one more step is remaining. That is, here we have to divide 8520 by this divisor, or the HCF of these two numbers, that is 71. 8520 divided by 71. Here it is 71. We will take these 2 digits, that is 85. Okay. 71, 85. 7, 8. Only 1 time. 71. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. bring down this 2, 142. 7 2s are 14. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 0. Here 1 0 is there, that bring down. So 0 1s are 0, 0 7s are 0. So the final HCF, the HCF of, before that we have to write, find the HCF of, find the HCF of this 8,520 and 71. Then we have to do this. After that, the HCF of 8,520 and 71 is again 71. Our last question is quite big. There are 4 numbers given here. We have to find the HCF for these 4 numbers. 316, 553, 869 and 1027. First, let's take the first 2 numbers, that is 316 and 553. In this, 553 is the greater number. So let's take 553 as dividend and 316 as divisor. It's only one time. 316. 3 is smaller than 6, so borrow from 5 and make it 13. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Remaining 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 237. Now 316 divided by 237. Again only one time. 237. 6 is smaller than 7, so borrow from here, make it 16 and subtract 7. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Then here remaining 0. So borrow from here, make it 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. We got 79. Then 237. 3 sevens are 21. So we'll go for 3. Let's see. 3 nines are 27. 2 balance. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2, 23. Remainder is 0. The HCF of 316 and 553 is 79. Now what we have to do is find the HCF of 869 and 79. 79 and 869. Of course 869 is the greater number. So 869 divided by 79. 869 divided by 79. Take 2 digit here and here this 7. 79. Okay. And here Let's take 7 and here 8. So only one time. 79 direct. Okay. 6 is smaller than 9. So borrow from here, make it 16. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Then remaining 7, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So bring down this 9, 79. One time. 79. 0. Now here the HCF of 79 and 869 is again 79. Now there is one more number remaining, that is 1027. Now this 79 will be the divisor for 1027. 1027 divided by 79. Here we'll take these 2 digits and here these 3 digits. One time. Right? 79. Then subtract. Here it is 2. 2 is smaller than 9. So borrow from the next. Here it is 0. So go back to this 1. Bring it here. That means this will become 10. From 10 you have to borrow 1 and make it 12. Okay. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Then here it's only remaining 9. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 23. Bring down this 7. 237. So take only one digit here and these 2. 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 3s are 21. Let's try with this 3. 3 9s are 27. 2 balance. 3 7s are 21 plus 2. 23. 237. Remainder is 0. The HCF of 316, 553, 869 and 1027 is 79. This is our last HCF. HCF of 316, 553, 869 and 1027 is 79. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.